see you again! Today's video we're going to make my favorite cake, lavender cake! This lavender cake is a delicate masterpiece, exuding an aura of elegance and charm. Picture a cloud-like texture that melts effortlessly on your palate, leaving behind a trail of subtle lavender-infused sweetness. This cake is the epitome of comfort and luxury, offering a moment of pure bliss with every slice. We're starting by separating the egg yolks and egg whites. Then we're gonna add sugar into our egg yolks, mix until thick and pale. Now I'm gonna pour in this milk that I already infused with lavender tea. The aroma of this lavender milk tea is already bringing joy to my mind. Then we're gonna add in oil and mix it just until combined. Lastly, we're gonna add in our dry ingredients. We're gonna mix it until nicely combined. Egg yolk mixture is done. Now it's time to do our meringue. If you don't have cream of tartar, you can use a few drops of lemon instead to make a beautiful meringue. Gradually add in sugar and increase the speed of your mixer. Trust me, you're gonna have a beautiful, shiny meringue. Just like this. This is what I'm talking about. A beautiful shiny meringue. Gradually and gently fold in the meringue to the egg yolk mixture. It's time to pour this beautiful batter into a baking pan, tapping gently to remove air bubbles. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 30 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. When the cake is done, set aside and let it cool. It's time to prepare the filling for the cake. And done. It's beautiful. It's time to assemble the cake and decorate as desired. Finally, our beautiful, elegant, and tasty lavender cake is ready! Enjoy the soft, fluffy delight of our lavender cake, a perfect treat for any occasion. It's easy to make, and all the ingredients are so easy to find. With each bite, you'll experience a sensation of pure indulgence as the soft crumb of the cake gently dissolves, enveloping your senses in a symphony of flavor. Let's give it a try. Oh my god, it is so good! One bite, it's not enough. And
Guys, I think the frosting is like magical ice cream.
aha, yes, that's what my daughter said. Okay guys, see you again next time. Bye!